Good morning, my little caterpillars. All right, let's spell February. Give me an F. F. Give me an E. E. Give me a B. B. Give me an R. Give me a U. U. Give me an A. A. Give me an R. R. Give me a Y. Y. What's that spell? February. That is our month. Good job. All right, let's count and find out what day this was. Yesterday was the 17th. What number do you think will come after 17? You think so? Let's start with number 10 and let's keep counting from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, it is the 18th of February. Today is a Thursday. 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 Thursday, Thursday, clap and sway, because we're at school the fourth day. And then tomorrow will already be Friday. All right, let's figure out our pattern. I'm going to start right here. Pink, blue, blue, pink, blue, blue. Good job. So today is Thursday, February 18th, 2021. We started to play this game last week. Tell me how many objects are hidden under this black square. There are 4 objects on my page. I only see 2. So how many are hidden? There were 4. But 2 are hidden. How many will be hiding under that then? Or 2 are out. How many will be hiding? 1, 2. This one says there's 3 objects on the page. How many do I see right here? 0. So how many will be hiding? 3 will be hiding. 1, 2, 3. All right, one more. I have 5 objects on my page, but I only see how many? 2. I only see 1, 2. I had 5. How many will be hiding then? 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus the other 2 is 5. Good job. A word that rhymes with this picture. What's a word that rhymes with 9? A rhyming word sound the same at the end. 9. Line. Can you think of another one? 9. Fine. Fine. Kind. Time. Good work. Those are rhyming words. All right, let's do our alphabet. Let's sing it today. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you come and sing with me? Take a guess. I'm going to hide some letters. Tell me what letters I have hidden. Ready? Open. What is this first one? What did I hide? A. It is our first letter. A. What is this one? Comes after F. E, F, G. Good job. E, F, G. All right, and my last letter comes after Y. X, Y, Z. Wow, you guys got those really fast. You're getting really good at this. See if you guys can play this game with your parents. Write down your alphabet or have them write it down. And then you can cover with a little piece of paper, you can cover a few letters and see if they can beat you and see how quick you guys are. You guys have gotten so good at that. All right, I'm going to say an onset and rhyme and put them together. I want you to put them together and tell me what I am asking for. Okay, listen carefully. Ut. Ut. What am I looking for? Ut. A hut. Good. Okay. I am asked. Oh, this one. How about this one? In. What word would that be? In. fin. In fin. Ooh, you guys are good. All right, what about this one? N. N. Men. N is men. Two left to pick from. Ought. Oh, sorry, I said the wrong one. Ought. 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 Pot. Good job. Last one, can you do it with me? At. 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 Let's say the sound to create the word. I'm going to touch this button. It's going to say the sound. P. A. D. P. A. D. Pod. Pod. Odd. A pod. Maybe a little pea pod that the peas grow inside is a pod. Good job. All right, we're going to play a little stupidizing game with our 10 frame. I'm going to show you a 10 frame again. Remember, a 10 frame has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It has 10 frames. And if the frames are filled up, there will be 10 of them. 1, 2. Now there's just 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. That is our 5. So the whole first row would be 5. Here's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm going to lift up the curtain now that we know that this is a 10 frame. It is filled up with 10. If I take one off, it would be 9, right? And then it would be 8. Here's 7. Here's 6. And there's 5 up there. All right, take a look. How many do you see? 2, 3, 4. Good job. Take a look. How many do you see here? 1, 2, 3, 5. You guys beat me. How many do you see here? 3. And how many do you see here? 10. Good job. All right, what if I have 5 and I take one away? How many will there be? There will be 4. If I have 5 and I put one more on, how many will I have? 6. Good work. All right, guys, so here is Miss Picky. Remember, she is so picky. She doesn't know what she wants. Well, today she does not know what she wants. She has a whole bunch of objects, but she really needs to collect them. So we're going to give them to her. And if she likes them, she's going to say, yay! And if she doesn't, she's going to say, no, thank you. All right. And then we're going to have to decide how all these objects are the same. So listen carefully because there's a sound. The same in all of the objects. Let's find out what it is so we can help her. You guys, I love helping Miss Picky. All right, you ready? All right, remember, she's super picky, so listen carefully. She will say yay or no, thank you. Rat. Miss Picky, do you want a rat? Let's see. Yay! Ooh, she likes a rat. Okay. Miss Picky, do you want a bear? No, thank you. All right, we'll put that bear back down because she does not want that. How about a radish? Miss Picky, do you want a radish? Yay! So she wants a rat and a radish. Are anything the same between those sounds, Rat? Rat, radish. Maybe. Let's keep going and find out if you're right. Rhinoceros. Miss Picky, do you want a rhinoceros? Yay! Ooh. So rhinoceros, radish, and rat. I wonder how else they're. You guys hear anything yet? Let's keep walking. Let's keep going. Apple. Miss Picky, do you want an apple? No, thank you. All right, she says no to the bear, no to the apple. Miss Picky, do you want a rabbit? Yes, please. Yay! Ooh, rhinoceros, rabbit, radish, rat. Gosh, do you guys hear anything that's the same between those? Can you help her? Is any sound the same? Say those objects again for me. Let me hear it. I think you're right. Let's find out. Dog. Miss Picky, do you want a dog? Do you think she'll want that dog? I don't think so either. No, thank you. Ooh, she said no, thank you. So she does not want the dog. Do you think she'll want the river? What do you think? River. Miss Picky, do you want the river? Yes, please. Right. River, rat, rabbit, radish, and rhino. There's something the same. I heard it. Did you hear it? You guys have to let me know. Zebra. If you're right, do you think she wants the zebra then? I don't think so either, but let's check. Miss Picky, do you want the zebra? No, thanks. No, thank you for the zebra, so we're going to put that back up there. And the last thing, do you want a railroad? Railroad. You think she'll want it? I think so too. Let's ask. Miss Picky, do you want a railroad? Yes, please. Oh, so look at all these objects. There's a sound that is the same in all of these objects. Can we find out what it is? Rhino, radish, rabbit, rat, river, railroad. Do you guys think you know what sound you heard in all of those objects? Okay, I'm going to leave it up to you. I want you to draw that letter or draw an object that starts with that letter or just record and tell me what letter it is. I cannot wait to hear it. Thanks for helping. Thanks for helping, guys. I'll see you later.